Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are doing a model preview tour of the Coconut floor plan. It's part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Coconut is also known as the Monte Carlo in many of Lennars communities, and it's going to give you 5 bedrooms. You're going to get 3 baths, just over 3,200 square foot, and a 3-car tandem garage. Let's walk inside and take a look here. So with the Monte Carlo, or the Coconut, as you're seeing it here, you've got this front living space here, which is separated by the family room. So you've got the front living space here, the dining room, and then this walks you right into the kitchen area of the home. So nice and open. You've got this island overlooking your eating kitchen area. Got a nice workspace here at the kitchen, huge pantry there. And then this is your main family room area or sitting room for your TV that you might see on this wall here. Downstairs in the Coconut, you have 1 guest bath. And then you also have 1 guest bedroom, which is featured as an office here in this model. Now coming back out, we'll take a look at the exterior space here. So you've got a nice under truss area right off the kitchen area, and then were you to have a pool package, then you would have a beautiful pool built right off the back of this home there. Now coming back inside the home, we're going to take a walk upstairs and look at what else this home has to offer. So coming upstairs, you've got a loft, you've got a bonus room, and then you have the guest bedrooms as well. We're going to start with the guest bedroom. So right around the corner here, this is your first guest bedroom here. And then directly behind me, you've got guest bedroom number 2. And between that and guest bedroom 3, you've got the guest bath here with the dual sinks. And then you have your commode and combination tub and shower there. And last but not least, the guest bedroom here as well. So that's the last of your guest bedrooms. Then you have this nice little loft area right here, and this huge bonus room with the double doors. Really nice extra space here to utilize as a game room, an additional TV room, and the like. And last but not least, upstairs, you've got your master. So this master is really, really nice size here. That is a king size bed there for perspective. Then you've got 2 really nice closets right here. Really long walk-in closet there. Then you've got another one right across as well. And then last but not least, you have your master bathroom with the dual sinks. You've got this nice large shower here. And then right over here is your water closet. Now, last but not least, we're going to take a walk back downstairs. And the last thing to show you is right at the bottom of the stairwell here. That's where you're going to find your laundry space. And then this right here would be your entry into your 3-car tandem garage. All right, folks, so if you're interested in the Coconut floor plan or the Monte Carlo, as you're going to see it in many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching our videos.